So, hi dear Capricorn Cappies. A very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a no contact reading for all the Cappies, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 29th of December. The roles can be reversed also. The action can be from your side also if it is not resonating, not your story. If you want to be a reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box. It has the power to change your life. Trust me on that. Self-healing, best self-healing modality of the universe. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can book your slots according to the slots given. If you have any queries, you can mail us on the modernsanyasini@gmail.com. Let's see. Cappy is the person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now. We have the Emperor, the Queen of Swords, the World card. So, Capricorn, this is someone who feels like no hard feelings for Capricorn. Whatever happened, happened. I have to get my shit together. I have to take the responsibility of my life in my hands and I have to move forward in my life. Whatever happened, happened. I don't have any kind of hard feelings for Capricorn whatsoever. May they be happy, may they flourish, or may they do whatever they feel is good for them and right for them. But I feel like I should just take the responsibility, take the charge of my life in my hands, and I should take my power back from this kind of dynamic between me and Capricorn. This is what this person is feeling, sitting in their power, and they feel like they should let go of the anger and resentment and the frustration that they were holding for you from quite a long time now. So now they're releasing that, realizing that it's kind of bothering and hurting them only. They are the one who's getting like hurt by doing all this. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Cappies? Two of Swords, Chariot, Temperance. Their intention is to get out of their own head. See, telling you, they were not able to stop. They were not able to let go of the negativity about this situation, about this connection between you and them. So right now they want to move on from the situation slowly but steadily, and don't hold any kind of grudges or revengeful or painful kind of energy whatsoever towards you or towards the situation or towards whatever happened between you guys. Now this person is highly in this energy of let the past be in the past. I don't want to carry this energy forward in 2025. So universe, please help me to move on from the situation. I am releasing Capricorn, and I'm realizing by holding on to grudges or negativity, I am the only one who is getting harmed or hurt. Let's see what action. Sure. Okay. What? Sorry. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Okay. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 29th of December. We have the Ten of Wands, Ace of Wands, Four of Wands. Wow. This is someone who is going to drop the stressful energy of ego. So somebody is going to connect with you and talk to you about their marriage and or about your marriage. I don't see them coming forward towards you regarding this energy of, okay, let's get married with each other. No. I do see them either connecting with you to tell you about their commitment or marriage to somebody else, or they are ready to move forward with someone else, or now they are opening up to people or something like that. And or they got to know that you are getting settled or you are getting married or you have somebody else in your life that they are going to congratulate you about. This is what I'm getting out of these cards. So this person is going to be like finally dropping their ego, and they are going to be having this kind of harmonious kind of energy towards you, where they are going to either tell you about their own commitment or marriage kind of a deal, or congratulating you on yours. That is what I'm getting as an outcome, that there are chances of communication but not of reconciliation. Communication but not of reconciliation. Maybe just, a friendship kind of a deal of two people having a harmonious kind of connection, but nothing more than that. Told you what kind of communication is going to be there for you guys. Okay, so for you, the guidance here is stay honest with yourself, Cappies. There is something that you are not honest with yourself about. Please don't do that. If there is something bothering you and you think you should be honest with yourself, at least, if not other people, Just do that. Don't continuously lie to yourself. Okay, everything is okay. I don't care. I don't give a shit. I don't give a damn. Often, often at times when we say I don't give a shit, I don't give a damn, we do give a damn. We do give a shit. So there might be something happening in your love and relationship area that you're continuously lying to yourself about. Check that out. It might convert into some kind of disaster if you are not going to be honest with yourself at least. Yeah, check it out. Whatever that is, you know better than me. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.